Welcome to 2-minute short and crisp algo trade training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to pull the order details. So earlier we have seen how to place the orders in your trading terminal using the Python scripts. So once you place the orders, right, you need to know about those orders, whether those orders are actually placed or what's the status of those orders, right? So there are n number of things that you may want to do with that order. So in order to do anything about those orders, right, first thing is you need to get the order details. Okay, so that's what we are going to do in this session. So I'm going to create a variable first, order details, and you need to use my client object to call order report. Okay, order report API. So once you do that, you can print the order details. So just take it and print it. So if you do this, once, so here we are placing an order. Once that is done, we are calling the order API, and then we are printing the details it's throwing. So even this, any of these codes are actually not necessary. But since we are building this lesson from the earlier episodes, I kept it as such. So now an order would have been placed, and all the details, all the details about all the orders that we have placed so far, right? So all of those will be actually pulled and printed. So if you look at this last line, right? So this is the response we are getting. So if you look at, right, there's so many orders that is placed today. So I'm just going to take one order. Okay, so go to status of just one order and see how that looks. Okay, so there's so many orders that is placed. So I'm just taking the response of just one single order. Okay, so that's still okay. So the bracket ends here. So this is a detail of a one specific order. So if you look at it, right, the order status is open. So this is nothing but the order details of the order that we have just now placed. So this is order that we have placed. If you look at it, right, it's a normal order for SBAN, that is 1900. So there's an order for 1900. And if you look at it, it's a buy order and at the price of 510. So if you look at the price, it's 510 and the quantity is 1. So the order quantity is also 1. So it's exactly matching. It's a buy order. So everything is matching. So this is an order details for the order that we have just now placed. So the critical thing that you need to look at here are order status. The price is exactly the same, the quantity is same, the type of order is same, and also the order ID, and whether it's an F&O order or not. This is not an F&O order, so that variable is set to N. And if you cancel this order, right, so this will automatically change. So if you look at it, right, cancel quantity is 0 and status is open. So if you go to the UI and cancel this order, right, so the order status will automatically change. So let's do that. So I'm switching to UI, and this is the order that we have placed just now through the script. So I'm just going to cancel this order. It's canceling. Bit slow today, so bear with me. So it's now closed. So I'm going back to the script. So I'm just going to comment this code. Okay, so let's comment this code and remove this thing and run it again. Okay, so it's done. So earlier, right, so we have placed an order and this was the response that we received. Now we got the response from the API again, and now I'm going to copy the response that we received from the API now. Okay, so this just for the one last order, right? So we are copying the response. So whatever response that we have at the top is the earlier one that we got while placed the order. Now we cancel the same order from the UI, and now we are taking the response again. So if you look at here, right, the order ID is exactly the same, but if you look at the status, the order is now cancelled. So the order is cancelled and cancel quantity is 1. So this is how you need to use the order report API to get the details of the orders that you have placed. If you have any queries about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. Also, if you like our videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.